What's up, everybody? Embark on a journey beyond algorithm and equation and analysis, where the true magic of data science lies in the art of communication, creativity, and collaboration. Join me on this YouTube as we delve into the often overlooked world of soft skills for data scientists. Soft skills are crucial in the field of the data science. They can impact a professional's success in a way that technical skills alone cannot do the job. What do you think? Which soft skills are required? Let me share a real life example to highlight the importance of soft skills. Imagine a data scientist who is brilliant at analyzing data but struggle to communicate their finding effectively to the team. This lack of communication skill can hinder their career advancement despite their technical capability. Communication, the ability to clearly explain complex technical concepts to the both technical and non-technical stakeholder, is crucial for data scientists or data analysts. Storytelling is a vital skill for data scientists. It's not just about the numbers, it's about translating complex insight into actionable decision. Good data storytelling combines clear visuals with a compelling narrative, making data accessible and impactful for everyone. Mastering this skill is essential for driving real business value and elevating your impact as a data scientist. Key points about the one important skills called critical thinking. Question assumption. Do not simply accept data at the face value. We may proactively question the validity, accuracy, and potential bias in the data sources and collection method. Another key point is identifying relevant information. With a critical thinking, help filter out irrelevant or misleading data and focus on the most meaningful information to address the problem at hand. Time management is a critical soft skill enabling us to prioritize tasks, plan effectively, maintain focus, adapt to change, enhance productivity, exercise self discipline, and achieve a healthy work life balance. Mastering this skill is key to maximizing efficiency, meeting deadline, and ultimately driving success in the field of data science. Data science project can be challenging and may encounter setbacks or obstacles along the way. A data scientist to persevere in the face of adversity, learn from the failure, and adopt their approach to achieve success. What do you think? What is the important soft skill cover these things? Yes, it's resilience. Creativity allows data scientists to approach problems from different angles, think outside of the box, and uncover novel insight in data. Creative thinking enhances the quality and depth of the data analysis, leading to more innovative solution and outcome. Yes, next, collaboration. Data science projects often involve cross-functional teams, requiring data scientists to collaborate effectively with a colleague from different backgrounds and disciplines. A strong collaboration skill facilitates knowledge sharing, idea exchange, and collective problem solving. The field of data science is rapidly evolving with the new technologies, tools, and methodologies. Data scientists must adapt to these changes, continuously learning and updating their skills to remain effective in their role. Always a solution is existed. Problem solving skills. Data scientists encounter complex problems regularly and must apply critical thinking, creativity to devise innovative solutions. Strong problem solving skills enable data scientists to navigate challenges and generate valuable insight from data. I encourage you to reflect your own soft skills and think about how you can improve them to advance in your data science career. Remember, technical skills may get you in a door, but soft skills are what will set you apart and help you succeed in the long run. Soft skills are key to success in the data science field. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Thanks for